You and your friends met a strange boy called Kit. He said he was a time traveller from the 16th century. You went to a cafe, and Kit had chips and tomato ketchup for the first time. He tried to pay with an Elizabethan coin.
You can't pay with that.
Poppy tried to get Kit to wear modern clothes, but he didn't like the jacket. He preferred his cape. So you took the jacket back to the shop. Poppy likes Kit a lot, but Nathan isn't happy. He doesn't know if he believes him.
Poppy is looking for information about Elizabethans on the internet. How much do you know about Elizabethan England? Do the quiz to find out.
Hi, guys.
Oh, hi, Nathan.
Where's Kit?
He's having a lie-in.
I bet he's sleeping better here than outside.
Yeah, he is, but
But what?
he's really missing his family. He's worried, I can tell. His light was on in his room all night. I don't think he slept well.
But that doesn't mean he's a time traveller from the 16th century.
I got up early this morning, and I did some research. I found some very interesting things.
Like what?
Look, people really did wear those clothes.
What about those plants he gave us? That was weird.
It says here that people did use those herbs for medicine in the Elizabethan times. And you know his uncle?
Yeah. What about him?
His name is John Dee.
So?
John Dee really existed. He was an alchemist, a philosopher, and a magician. He was even astrologer to Queen Elizabeth I.
What does that prove? It only means that Kit is as clever as you, and he visited the same websites.
Kit doesn't know what the internet is, or how to use a mobile phone.
That's what he said. Come on, Poppy. What do you really think of Kit?
I like him.
But do you really believe his stories about time travel?
To be honest, I don't know. I mean, I'm not a scientist, but personally, I think he's telling the truth.
What do you think? Do you like Kit?
Now it's your turn to talk. Click to pause if you want more time. Click the audio button to listen again. Give your opinion of Kit.
Do you believe his stories about time travel? I think time travel is just so science fiction.
Ask Nathan what he thinks of Kit.
I don't know. I like him, but I don't understand him.
You're absolutely right. I don't understand him either, but I want to help him.
Hello, everyone.
Hi, Kit. How do you feel?
A bit tired, but I'm all right.
Well, it's a nice day. Why don't we do something fun? Like... Hey, would you like to play a game? We could play badminton.
What's badminton?
You'll love it. It's great fun. I've got everything we need here.
Ah, I love this game. We call it Battledore. I can play it really well.
Battledore? Is that for real?
Look it up, Nathan. Listen, Kit. We're going to help you get home.
That's very kind of you, but how?
I don't know yet, but I'm sure we can do it. Have you found it yet?
Yeah. Kit's right. Badminton used to be called battledore.
So do you believe him now?
Yeah, I think so. It seems crazy, but true.
Great. Come on, let's play. I bet Kit can play better than you, Nathan.
No way! I'm the best badminton player. Well, you're not as good as me anyway.